Sanbonani Makaya, my name is Siabonga Metani. This is the Unplug. Why is he busy Unplug? Because Stima Ukesi of the music, and we literally switch on the live music with the instruments. We're gonna start in a bit of a slow motion. So talang a slow motion. And then so the fast motion. Ikon intenjalo ngesilungu fast motion. Mangeko ke khona black motion. Black motion is gonna close it up. Gents, thanks for coming through. Black Motion in the place to be. I was thinking about it. Before you guys, there was no other. I'm being 100.
Sure.
From what you guys do from a performance perspective and in the youth space, right? I mean, there've always been guys who play drums, but they're part of something else that's with someone else that's part of a bigger... But before you guys, there was really no other. Because there was no other, who were you guys benchmarking to be successful, you know?
I think like growing up in Soshanguve, there was a lot of DJs that were playing vinyl, and we got to understand and know the people that make the music that we dance to, especially tribal house. So I think the sound was inspired mainly by Louis Vega, Ken Dope, and Lucito Quintero. And yeah, man, because it was percussion and DJ, and they were just killing it. And we wanted to bring that in the hood and make people understand that the two elements can fuse together. And yeah, I would say from my side, like it was Louis Vega and Lucito.
Oh, and then also the instruments that we have in South Africa, like we have many instruments in South Africa. So we were like, why not we try, you know, instead of using congas, let's use African drums like the dooms and other African instrumentals, so to fuse it with our sound and stuff. Yeah.
I mean, you know, so from the beginning, you guys had this vision like this, from the beginning.
Yeah, 100%. Like the day we started.
On go.
Yeah, on go. Just from the word, like saying there's going to be Black Motion, we knew our roles and we knew what we wanted to do and how we wanted to interpret what we do in studio on stage. And the closest thing we could do was put that live elements, like he said, different kind of elements. Instead of your sax, your congas, we use dun drums, very rare drums to use, especially in a live set of DJ and percussionists.
So I'm sure it wasn't easy in the beginning, and there was like shows you guys or things that you guys never did. Money that you never made.
A lot.
Because you wanted to present it as what we see today.
A lot. Especially these awards and these corporate gigs. Where like they talk about spaces and whatever.
We have to mime.
We have to.
You can't mime drums, so we're like, no. It's either we do it or we can't. So.
There's a lot that we lost, and it was because we stayed true to ourselves. And until people got used to the fact that this is what we are and this is how our setup is, people got it in their minds, and we are here today 11 years later because of that mentality.
The first time I think I must have seen you guys perform, it was when you were starting off. And you got on stage and you're playing. And then like y'all start getting on the decks. It must have been, and then you start dancing. I was like, what the? You know what I mean? I mean, all that also, I mean, is that stuff that was like rehearsed? It's like you guys had the plan. And you know, a lot of people literally build their sets as they go. It's almost like you guys had the end goal of what you want on stage before like you even got on stage and got to this point of success, you know?
Exactly, man. Like we always knew what we wanted to do. And from where we come from, Soshanguve, it's a place where you have to really show off your talent to be the best. So we had to be unique. We had to do things that we wanted to do so people can respect the hustle and respect what we do on stage, especially when we perform. We didn't just want to be a DJ and a percussionist. We wanted to bring everything that we have in studio, and man, it was that.
There was much to do, but then imagine like making the crowd go crazy without them hearing our voices. So we're like, okay, let's add other things, because we were both dancers back then. We were both dancers, and then we were like, as we built our Lokuzana, when the crowd helped us, and we were like, oh no, today I feel like confidence. Let me go dance on stage, and then
You guys have gone international also with your music. I mean, I saw I commented on one of your posts, you know. How's the world receiving what you guys are doing?
It's just like people, they don't know good, like our career started overseas.
For real?
Yeah, it started overseas.
I never knew.
We're doing more shows overseas than at home. So
for real?
Oskido, and he was like, no guys, we have to build first your brand at home back, Kaya, and then start branding your name in South Africa, and then so that.
What year is this?
It was 2010.
2011. 2011 when people understood what Black Motion is from South Africa, because like we were doing a whole lot of remixes from London and the US and a whole lot of shows from that side. So a lot of music was coming from that side to this side, but it was remixed in a shack in Soshanguve. So a lot of people thought Black Motion was a group of or one person from overseas, until we started doing, Skido was like, no, let's do shows in South Africa with that Banana Maboko song. And then, people got to understand, it's these boys from Soshanguve.
And have your own original songs.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, I never knew that. So when I was seeing you guys already were fresh. Or you were on stage, literally stage wasn't anything new for you guys.
We had like I would say experience from overseas, and the first place was Angola. That was the
Angola,
first place.
Portugal to
the world. And then a year later, I was South Africa. So
wow, wow.
Baba Qué bonito que te veo. Yo quisiera confesarte que te quiero. Es muy guapa tu sonrisa y tu mirada. Ay, qué lástima que tú no sientas nada. Si tú me quisieras, yo te cuidaría y tuya sería mi vida. Muchacho guapo, ven pa' acá. Ay, ven pa' acá, muchacho guapo, ven pa' acá. Muchacho, yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Yo quisiera darte todo y más que eso. Ay, qué lástima que yo no te intereso. Si tú me quisieras, yo te cuidaría y tuya sería mi vida. Muchacho guapo, ven pa' acá. Ay, ven pa' acá, muchacho guapo, ven pa' acá.
I wanted to just, most importantly, just give you guys your flowers, man.
Thank you very much,
and because I am boxed in this hip hop platform, but actually, there's a bigger culture of music.
Sure.
And you guys are so instrumental in driving it and creating it and innovating it. And you're so deliberate with it, you know. And I just wanted to just like give you your flowers, invite you, get us to join us here and do your thing tonight, because in the landscape of South African music, you guys have left a huge mark and you're legendary, because the next group that's gonna do what you gonna do, they gotta look at what you guys have done.
Sure.
And goddamn,
Thanks.
it's a lot for them to
That
get
means a
over.
lot.
You know what I
That means a
mean?
lot.
So shout out, man. Black Motion, we Unplug. Yo, if 3-4 hours, if you're driving from here to Nelspruit,
Sure, no repeat.
you don't have to repeat. You don't have to switch.
Yeah.
You'll be safe. You don't have to like pick up your phone to change. No, you'll be safe. You know
Sure,
what I mean?
away.
Get that, man. You know, Black Motion, all the other work also. You know,
Away,
brothers,
away.
I appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Like,
very
for
much.
everything.
Thank you very much,
To the
man.
world,
Thanks.
to the universe, please keep going.
Thank you very much,
Inspire
man.
us.
Thank you for having us here, and thank you for the belief and the push, man. You've always been a fan, and since day one, I was to say, thank you very much for this opportunity.
You guys are living. You guys are gonna be legendary. I promise you guys.
Oh, thank you
You're
very
gonna put
much,
you guys up there with the Hughes of the world in your time, and it's your time to get there. You guys are legendary. And Mosquito basically needs to write a book about everyone he's actually
true.
like, because he's just
Sure.
been such an instrumental player in the game.
Yeah.
You know, he just needs to write a book. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah,
You
sure,
know,
man.
yo, I'm a fan. Let's cut this, y'all.
Broadcast live